Hi, Charity. You don't return from work. I know say today when we dey, which time we did that time, safe afternoon or morning. You can't say you just dey wake up. So what time are you guys now there over there? Hey, my Instagram is back to life. A lot is really going nuts. Oh, what time are you now? Good evening. Good evening, Tessie. Tessie, why you go? Aye, gaga. 3, 4. Okay, now na day afternoon. Hello, Yosato. Na day afternoon, then we come day night. Okay. I really like. Let me say we did that kind of night now. Because 6 hours. Okay. Nice sleep, they worry me like this. Hello, my people. Okay, what's the topic? Who is calling me? Who's that? Oh, Nigeria people. The topic is that is it possible for person to spoil money send am through bank give you? Okay, listen again, guys. Is it possible? Hi, Glory. Oh, my darling. Oh, my darling, Instagram. Oh. I wrote this in no air. Eh? Is it possible, my people? The topic is I've been another year. The topic is that is it possible this thing they work? Camera Maria, why? I'm Maria. Mama Dege. You. Is it possible to poison money when they sent to you? Hello, director. Director, okay now. Oh yeah. Wanna answer me? Is it possible to poison money when you send to person through account? Somebody say yes. Oh yeah, how? It's working. My camera is working. Okay. Okay, now my camera, my lady, they talk. Mama twins. Is it possible? Is it possible to poison? Yes, so. Yes, so. Oh yeah. Mrs. Segberame, oh yeah, talk to us because this life shocked them. You shocked them. I don't know. Some they say yes, some they say no. I don't understand. Right, and you say no. Now, wow, no. Now, who knows? I think it's possible, but I don't believe it's possible. True account, my lady, I don't believe. Hey, true account, Jojo. Not be say na hand though. Not be say person give you money for hand though. Not be say person give you money for pocket though. Not be say the person wey wan give you money even touch the money. Na bank to bank. What's the topic? Good evening, my lady Joanne. The topic is it possible for somebody to pay money to your account? He go poison that money. Like, Lady Joanne, you transfer money from your account to my account. Say you dash me, for example. Meanwhile, that money you spoil am. Na true say the money you feel really spoil am, yet you transfer am through bank. This na very better topic for black people, eh? We are still learning this one. What is the question? The question. Good evening, my able ladies. I can see you all. My lady Isaac Queen. God bless you. Hello, my sweetheart, Isaac. I see all of you now. Okay. The question, my lovely people, please, I want you all to follow. Both other tribe, please. Is it possible? For example, you from here pay money to Nigeria account. You transfer to the person. Is it possible that you can spoil that money, whether by sham, by whatever, but you are not going to give to the person by hand? The person is not going to collect it by hand. The person is also going to use the money to pin. Also transfer, check. The money go by check and you also transfer. Okay, me I read on a comment too. Except it's hand to hand, then it's possible. No, it's not possible. I'm here, I came late. Oh, okay, my lady. Jesus, how can that be possible? Not possible. Monica, my to the dry. Okay. I bet which oil I go feed the use. In the market now, you go buy those jelly oil. Buy different flavor. They see vanilla, different things. Where you feed they put. But what did they make and they dry? Which anti-concession you they use where your water go they dry? I think so, but in Nigeria everything is possible. My lady. As far as it is transfer, it is not possible. I say it's not possible because I don't believe it. Okay. It's not possible. I am just eat watermelon. Okay. She not to eat good food. Okay, she should eat good food. My people, wait they here, nobody they learn finish. We all are learning. A lot of things where people think they put fear. Don't do people. Where they think they put fear for una life. Where they think they cash you now. I don't understand. Some kind talk where you hear Jesus. No, my people, capital no. Even if you the vex your person. Capital no. Okay? The people that can kill, like me now, for example, I dey sell, I dey buy, I dey collect money everywhere. Okay. Person you can say this money, I want give money cow. As I give them this money, let this money destroy. If the person give money, go destroy YouTube. Because no, not be me. If the person put the money, na ING go put the money not go reach my hand. Now another money they'll pay me. Not be money where you put for bank, now that they collect. If you put money for here for Netherlands, not be that money one go enter for Naira. Now another Naira Italy where another person use, where they bank, now they go pay out. So how you want to spoil money where you give to me by bank, not be by hand, not be by envelope, not be by your working place, not be by your this thing. It's not possible. But the thing where person you fit take kill your career. For example, somebody will say, I want pay this money to Monica. May I take spoil your career? No. It's not possible. That your money, I go use and shine where. I bet put on. I will take on. It no get nothing where it go do me. Okay, but do you know how you can really, when person will say, na this person, na spoil this person career, na this person walk be motor, na kill him. You know how? One, you go to drive people from that person. Two, bad advice. Three, bad belle. You get bad belle for person where you say you dey support, you will kill him. If you get bad belle for person where you say you dey support, and if who you dey support also get bad character, e go down. Because if he get bad character, you not tell am ho ha, may you come on your hand. But if he get bad character, you continue to dey support am. And you know, say this character where this person get, you not go fit carry and go up. And you don't want to tell the person, you kill that person career. Okay, this is a topic. I'll keep it. I don't even want to say it long too much here. I want to spend 40 minutes here. I will go. Please, my guys. My Instagram be monetized, so I can't be spending that hours. You understand? I can spend it too. But if I really want it to be I want to talk. I need to make 40 minutes. And lady, spirituality, it is possible. No. My lady, it's not possible. Do you know the one, that is also possible by, and you must have clean heart for them to possible. If you do it with evil, it's not possible. Do you know the one? The one of say, like this one where they talk, I put money for a bank, then the person will come receive and you can't be bad money. You know they work. I beg, may you try. Go put bad money for me, I beg. Let the money big. You understand? I beg, put bad money for me. Let the money big. May you foresee the result. The only way where some people still tell they do that kind of money, not be say money to spoil your money. Oh, no. Maybe, like example now, some people this one I don't want to talk on, because if I talk on, some bad people now they abuse them. But to them now abuse, it go still return back to them, because it be like sacrifice where Cain and Abel do. Now only that one you fit do. You understand? It be like when somebody now you do sacrifice zobo, you go put them for Ada. Okay? You put everything where they say spirit they shop. Now so it still be. If you want go altar, go do a sacrifice, be waiting they call altar on. You want go sow seed. You go say, oh Lord, I want to give this money out. Please, let me be able to have my document this year. Oh Lord, please, let me get husband. This money I'm giving is a seed. Use it to give me husband. I know you can do it. It's not that I'm giving this money, but I just want to use it to thank you at the end of the day, to remember this day, Lord. Okay? You put the money at altar, for example, or you sow the money somewhere with your true heart, asking God. Now let God, then they do that type of. Say, you say this money, where I want to put so for Monica, Baba, if this Monica chop this money, as he chop this my money, let Pocky or carry. I bet my sister put 500 euro for me. Cost every cost, where, put on. If he walk, I'll tell you. If he not still walk, I'll tell you, oh yeah, put on. Put on more, try. Say, Lord, by tomorrow, I want this Monica, this money where I want to put so. This 500 euro, get what you get talk by. Oh yeah, when you make her wear. Me have a going in the maybe you make sure you can't get toilet. Yeah, I will live it. How they do live video, maybe they hear my shit, whether they do or if they do. Okay, who want more do that challenge? Make I for take proof to now say he know they work. But the only one where they work, now the one where you tell God. You will say, oh, I really don't like this topic. For example, oh, Baba, 2 euro na power women. I give her, oh, Baba, provide for me. That it can work. Many times it they work for me, and I don't also see many people where they say it work for them. Also, all those type it they work. You understand? So anyone sacrifice that you do for God, or anything you use in praying to God, anything you use in cleansing yourself, and when you really know you do it from your heart, don't forget, Cain and Abel give sacrifice to God, but God only accept Abel own because he sees the heart that Abel was giving the best of his farm, but Cain was giving the rotten things. That is how sacrifice is. That is how seed is. When you are saying you want to use this thing to do seed, God is seeing your heart. If you are giving the best or you are using it to do juju, God will not answer you. Okay? So please, if you want to know if the juju or the work, please, just tell me. Okay, Monica, go somewhere now. Me and go sit down, wait for only you one there. May you supercharge the money. Then, if I receive the money, I will come shop and you'll tell me what you want happen to my shit. Then, I go the wait for you. Every shit where I shit, I go the record and me you the year and don't to work baby. Oto ek baby. That one, you know, they work. But now that one that they do Africa people. Go say couple money for your mo do something for who they. You know they work. The reason why all those things they work for. No, don't see me. I believe in example of it. You know what all those things where they do, you know they work. I not get their connection. We not get the same connection. But I wish I get their connection for work. I wish me myself still they busy look for where I want put there. The one where they do me, it go reach me. The one where me still they do, then go. That's why juju people, they know they ever get rest. They must get something to sacrifice. Because yes, any stone where people throw, it can really reach them if they are not clean. The one where they still throw, it can also reach the person where they pursue, they go. Okay? So if you talk just now, say 50,000 was poison, 20,000 was, please return it back to me. Let me go to toilet and see what it will do to me. I don't go purge. I go shop am because na electronics. Juju no they can anything wo Igbo do now we be black juju. They work. Okay? You know they work, eh? Mona not talk say they work. No, they work. If you say they work, you give me, make me shop. Me I see whether you fit you succeed in what you give me for. I beg you. No lie. No, they do. Then the one again. Where they work again, me and they tell now the one where they work. Some African shop, they work because now black, you go there, go buy something, and if they do juju to tell they say something. So if you follow and buy food, if you reach us, either those food they queer roti, the one where they throw away, now plenty pass, or the one where go the second, now plenty pass, so that you will always come back to the buy. Now those one they work for Africa shop and marketing people and the waiting and the Africa people way. Now those ones. And if you still be child of God, Africa shop where they do such thing, your body must get the sign. Say no. Anytime follow these people buy something. No. You must know. But if you not be child of God, you continue to be wasting your money with them. Okay? Say person give you money through electronic, please. You know they work, oh. You know they work, eh? If they give through now, maybe they work. I don't know. But through electronic, you know they work. Spiritual control the physical. Oh. Whatever you do from the heart is from your spirit. That is why I say spirituality is possible, my lady. No, it's not possible. It's not possible, my lady. You know why? Okay. You want to send that money, to do evil. You are not talking. It's only God that can do those type of things, my lady. Forget. You must have connection. The reason why God, though they work, Not be the person where you want gift to, now you they talk to. Now God they there with you. That's why God though they work. The reason why the person where you want throw bomb of money to, through electronics, you know they work. Because not be you create that person and you yourself not be God. You not get power. But the reason why you go there your house, you say, oh, let me just donate to these people. God, I'm standing in enemy. Because you are talking to God from your heart. The person where you they give not even know. So when you want use and do evil, yeah, now, who are you connecting with? We get that kind of power to really walk through electronic. Now, lie, oh, my lady, don't let them deceive you. You know they work. You know they work, eh? If you say they work, my lady, oh yeah, put special one for me. But you know get that kind of line, and you know did that kind of line. The people where did that kind of line, oh yeah, maybe I will challenge. Come put on through electronics. May I see how you want to work? You know they work. Oh, why you wasting Google? Why you wasting Google? Eh? You know they work like that too. No, that one not the person. No, now prayer on, eh? They work. Yoruba people call it Sarah. Sarah, You can do Sarah. Sarah is you and God. You understand? Sarah is you and God. And when you want to do Sarah in Ojuju way, is Sarah. Sarah in Ojuju way. Now good thing. You go do Sarah. You use it to intercede for yourself. So you are talking to your own God. But if you say, may your God go do something through electronic, may go to YouTube money, may if go spoil Microsoft, will get YouTube before they can give you. It cannot work. It cannot work. Because when you put money in the bank, it go to the bank. You know they even reach your hand. Now another bank you go collect. How can it work? But when you use it to intercede, yes, it will work because God sees your heart. He sees your pain. He sees why you are doing this. He just sees that you are trying no means for him to reach out for you. Yes, sometimes some people need to try all means for God to reach out for them. Yes, it there inside Bible. One woman where when Jesus they eat, I think I have to go and read the story again. When Jesus they eat, the woman come to Jesus say, make it come eat bread wey fall for ground because the woman no be Jesus tribe. Jesus come say, I no fit give my food to you. The woman come tell Jesus say, sometimes even master, I don't really can remember again. Say, even master, they allow dogs still they shop the one where remain. You understand? I forget this thing. You understand? So that woman, she lobby for Jesus to have mercy on her. That's how he lobby. Follow Jesus to type me. You know what it be type me now? No be say challenge Jesus. So no, he follow and like when Jesus say you this, he can't follow and symbol. I want to talk that thing. You understand? So he push himself for Jesus to know, say, I know, say, you get power. I know, say, you be good God. Have mercy on me. He make himself clear what he wants. You dey understand? So, yes, now so it still be sometimes. Some people need some kind of sacrifice for God to see, okay, I have mercy on you now. Now it be that one. She plead that case. Thank you, ma. You understand? A kind of argument. Yes. In a very polite, humble way. She plead that way. with Jesus, when Jesus they say yes, can't take. You understand? So that is how it is also for us. Sometimes you dey position where before you just say, oh, Baba, mercy on me now. Give me this thing. Oh, let this office I'm going so let it just work out. It go just work out for you. Meanwhile, some people need to have a special way of asking, making their request known to God. It's normal. You understand? So Sarah is normal. When you are a juju woman, you want to do Sarah. Sarah means you want to ask something. You want to please them to have mercy on, I don't know, whatever you are serving. You want the head, because even when you they do juju, they say go do Sarah. They go say you go have me. You go ask every river to have mercy on you, to favor you. You say me head favor you. You say me sand favor you. You say me this favor you. That's why you do Sarah, to get favor. Okay? If now juju way, then you do the juju, all those Zobo people. But like Facebook is Zobo people, they always do it wrongly. They want to use it to kill. That one is not Sarah. Okay? If now Sarah is like that, it they be like me, I not mention anybody name. Some people for social media, River Girl. If they say you do them something, they want cry to the person where they know. They'll carry sweet, they'll carry perfume, they'll carry chewing gum, they'll carry everything, everything where sweet, where that thing they take, they'll go use and bribe them. Go say, oh, my name take sweet, my name take this. He go put perfume, go they spray perfume, go they spray different type of perfume, go they rub the thing powder, go they pour powder, say. Now this thing, now sweet scent things, the thing they take, you see, he go use and take go plead with that something where they river. He go say he don't plead that. After he don't sing for her, he don't give her something, he don't make her happy. According to them, he go come and say, hey, my mama, now this one I say make you do for me. Eriya Yahweh. Now so way God still be for some people. Like Selena, if you they go select church. Many things where you take plead God. Some Pentecostal way that they use anointing. Many things where they'll first anoint themselves before they will come to the. You understand? People like us, we don't already deck. We don't need that kashif. We don't need anointing oil. We don't need that salt and water. We don't need any water. We don't need any psalm. We don't need any particular. We only need our knee and our head on the ground for Baba God. Hello.
Hello, Jacob.
Oh, Instagram. Instagram. He finish.
Okay, now I finish it. Me with the law Jacob.
Okay.
Oh, Mama,
Example giving where I just stopped today. Then they don't go cut this one. So say, but they can use to give example giving. Now no say na side be. Now me about my zero last can check up. Who is there? Who is there? Oh, Abba. Hey, Monica, don't quiet. You with me the year. Nah. Monica, if I reach there. Because I just said you nah. Go and bring my white charger for me, please. Then the charger go me. Me now dance and praise. Yeah, me I read comment now. If not child you want, or Juju can say go give children sweets to beg your own child to come. Me I dey use groundnut and guguru. Do Sarah sometime. You see?
Mama, Amber's weak too.
Okay, you guys were doing me while you give me white charger from down. My lady, you are blessed woman. Believe. Oh, thank you. You understand? Me na dance and praise. Joanne, I dey share am for people. No be juju, na just Sarah. Okay. You understand, so? Some can do Sarah. Why? See, I know that thing as a child of God, you must not do. Please hold this in mind. If you do it, the Lord will not accept it. And you will not know. Because this one not be the time where God they accept somebody offering by fire. So you will not know. Because all these days, if you go give sacrifice, Sarah, if God accept and go put fire, if he not accept and nothing they happen, now you will say no. But this time, many of you know they know whether God accept or not. If you know you are a real Christian that doesn't do juju, don't practice juju, and you don't practice all this sacrifice. Okay, if your church now select that they practice all this Old Testament do that. Okay, but if you say you not be Old Testament and you not be also pastor vision, if you still be pastor vision, una still different. Okay, say you just be natural Christian, Bible believing Christian like me. Don't ever call giveaway Sarah. Don't do it. If you are led by whatever spirit that make you to say, do sacrifice, do the sacrifice on your own, whichever thing that make you say you want to do sacrifice. Okay? Giveaway is not sacrifice, so Baba God not they accept am. Because giveaway is out of the abundance that the Lord has blessed you. You want to do, you want to call people to eat with you. Okay? That is when you are fulfilling. You see, like me, for the past 14 years, I've not paid tithes. But before 14 years ago, we used to pay tithe to God. We know if we pay tithe finish, we not go even get money to eat. But we'll say, if you not pay tithe, now fine, no, now this, now that, God Almighty. Until we read, we can't get the understanding. No, that is not what God said. That's why you see many tither that they suffer too much. Okay? Because they are not tithing. The tithing is not of the Lord. It's of their own sacrifice. And God does not accept such sacrifice. So if you tithe, you might not get anything in return. Except you are tithing just for say, let me give it to this church, may they pay as friend. Then God might give you if that is what you are doing. But say, I am tithing. I have tithed you, Lord. It will not answer. No. Because it's not his. That is not where he is. He have paid a price that is more than tithe. If you don't respect that tithe, the price, he can't respect your tithe. Okay? Okay. So, giveaway is like tithing. Because the way Baba God say mo take eat our tithes, now it be giveaway. Giveaway sometimes you'll get shoes, you'll get clothes, you'll get you say, for me to throw it away, and they are still very good now. Let me give it to people who don't have to also have. You understand? You'll say, let me use out of this money. I just talking from my heart. I must bless people this time. As I'm eating, I still want other people to be eating. Let me give this one away for them to buy this. Let me just buy bag of rice and use it to give to people to eat and this and that. Okay. Don't use that one to do Sarah. If you use it to do Sarah in your heart, you are on your own. The Lord will not hear. He will not accept it. Because he no put fire, you will not go no. You will say, I don't do Sarah. No. Don't use it to do Sarah. When your heart tell you to dash somebody something from your heart, don't use it to touch all the problem in your life and say, I give to Baba every problem in my life. So I give this money, please let the problem be going. No! The Lord does not accept such. That is evil. Don't do it. But if you want to give away, even if you have sickness that you want to intercede for, don't use money for it. Don't use anything give away for it. Thank God. Say, God, even in my situation, I believe that you are a healer. You can heal me. And the little I have, I will keep sharing until I'm able to touch your heart, Lord. Thank you for giving me the opportunity in my situation to still reach other people. You hear me? Now God they do Sarah in the name of dash somebody something. The Lord not they hear you. That's why you see some people. As I they do good rich, as my hand lose rich, as I they give people rich, I know they get back because your giving is not of the Lord. Your giving is of you. You want to use it to lose your door. You want to use people to lose your door. No. It's not because you give money to somebody your door will open. It's the Lord that will open your door. Rather, thank God. And tell him, Lord, and I believe and I trust that you can open my door when the right time comes. Do you hear me? Just more advice. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my lovely people, so that I can be able to upload the video. Just give without an expectation. Una yeah, mona novice una this small ministration now I bring. Using it to touch your body before giving is bad. What I don't use, I give it out to people. Finish good. Don't say, this my children class, I they give and so baba ne baba, na man, na woman. Say make he return enemy to me with all this my good. May he use evil. They return back to me. God forbid. But you also have right to pray for what you are giving away. Father, I'm giving this thing away, if not to a close person where you know you want give to. Let it not use in any way. Trace it back to me with evil. Because you see my heart, Lord. I am giving wholeheartedly. I am giving to bless them. I'm not giving to lock their way. I'm not giving to mock them. I'm not giving in evil purpose. If there any evil purpose in my giving, Lord, let it not come back to my household. Finish, oh. Don't go and be praying dangerous prayer in things you want to give to people. On your now that one, any evil block person part, you see somebody, he go give all they'll come dead desperate. You never see desperate giver. He go come he go the sweat like the God, I give for you. Door no open. I give for you. Door no open. I give for you. We me argue una. Wetin me want can do now. I don't give. As I they give rich. Na lie. Na me still they sit up. Na be no. Don't give like that, eh? Don't give, eh? It's not accepted. You are struggling yourself. You must give without expectation, and you must give with joyfulness, and you must give with thanksgiving, because it's not your power. You must always give with thanksgiving of the Lord. As you are giving, you will be thanking God that you are able to give. You must thank God that you are able to give. Me, I sabi give out, but it's not Sarah, okay? Please, if you want to do Sarah, it's also allowed. Let it just be Sarah in your heart. You can do Sarah for something. Yes, maybe like now, you want travel abroad. You understand? Many people, they do on that time. You want travel abroad. You will do Sarah. Because you are going to meet many people on the way. As you give Sarah, men and women, man, grace, whatever, to favor you, to help you, for Lord to send angels on your way to help you. The little you have is what you are giving now to sweeten everything on the way. If you believe in that one, shower hand. If you are Christian that believe in that one, it's also good. But don't attach evil. I don't see person before he go give. He go pray every prayer of Allah. So God, this is not giving. He go take the thing. Oh, Father, someone give this thing. Oh, Lord, I will be able to do it. Oh, I don't give this person. Oh, God, my mama. Oh, Baba, ne Papa. Oh, you need me, Lord. Give me. Give some more. That kind of money now after that they put on, don't give unto human being. I bet human being not be your this thing. If you want give money where you want cry put, where you want pray put, where you want to ask the betterment of your life, the child of your life, the ukpokpo of your life, please carry that money, eh? Go look for any altar of church, go put on there for them. Not give unto human being. Go give on there. If God go accept, now you and God. You understand? But at least take it to the house of God. Go put on there. Not give unto beggar. We will pray, cry, ask. Now beggar, you want born beggar picking. That's it, I don't understand. They'll say, person, you they look for picking. Go do sacrifice for river, you will go. Who will go ale mommy water? If mommy water can accept your sacrifice, now it can't enter your belly. Abi, you don't know, say, when person get belly, he attract a lot of things. You know? They will say, you want get belly, yeah, go sacrifice to beggar. Oh, we are be a beggar. You want born beggar? Abi, they tell you, say, na beggar, your children hide put. You don't see for anywhere for Bible where Baba God don't talk, say, our children, Anna, how God take give Anna pikin? Tell her say go give beggar money. Say Anna pikin they beggar hand. Eh? No. You understand? You can be good. You can do service sacrifice. If they bring pikin also service. I believe you guys know what is service sacrifice. You understand? Genuinely help people genuinely. With your service, not even with money, because money cannot buy child. If you like, give 1,000 to everybody, you won't have it. Service, give child. The way you serve people wholeheartedly, the way you love children from the bottom of your heart, not be because say you never born your own, and make you by the clean bobo for their nose. Meanwhile, inside your body, you want that. God, they see you. Okay? If you are looking for a child, it no mean say every child in the world, carry them, pamper them, buy biscuit for them. Don't do for them, not be by that one. Be genuine with people. Have service. Let your service be good. If you really want to help somebody with money, let it be someone that really in need. Not for eye service, not be because you want to back God over, not be because you understand what I mean. Let it be pure service. When you are dealing with human being, deal with them like, God will say, no, I must reward this, my pikin. No, this guy is too kind, he's too nice, man. Selfless, they bring pikin too. That's right, just like the widow woman who was willing to give all she had. Yeah. What of people wey no they do Sarah? God no they answer pray. Yes, because me no they do Sarah. Now they talk just now. Say no be me no they do Sarah. Me I no they do Sarah. Me I do give away, which is eat your tithes. I know they do Sarah. Say go see Sarah. No, see Sarah for what? Why I don't believe in Sarah is because I feel it's an exchange of destiny. You take the destiny of person or people you give it to, where that is what Yoruba movie shows us. Nobody can take your destiny. Nobody can take your destiny. No, but the reason why beggars are beggars is because their brains are beggars, not because they are handicapped. Handicapped people. You never see handicapped people where they get copied. When your brain is handicapped, you are handicapped. When your brain ain't a beggar, you are a beggar. So nobody take your destiny. Your destiny is inside of you, what you can do. If you know, I want to talk. If you not developer, your destiny is what you can do, what you become. If you not developer, clear. A university graduate will start drinking, associating with hooligans. At the end of the day, we end up in prison and come and tell me that somebody stole his destiny. Oh no. To Carita, yeah. Me, I sabi give out, but I know Sarah, okay. What I don't use, I give it to people. Using it to touch, no. Okay, I don't feel read all those ones. Hello, my lady. How are you? Truth, my lady. You are right. I give without expecting, because if I look back, I'm really grateful. Me too. Please, can you do this topic on your YouTube? Okay. Which of it? Because now two, we can't talk for year now. Two. Or me and Jama together like that. And now my children clothes, I they give out pass. I no get talk less to give out. Okay. You are good, teacher. Oh, thank you. I give without expecting, because God has been so good to me. If I look back, yes. Thank you for this. Oh, you welcome. Exactly. I'm enjoying giving. Yeah. Thank you so much, my lady. Okay, nice. Everybody understood. Nice. I give without hesitation. Yes. Give your time to people. When you are looking for child, give your time to people. Give your time. Time is the best to touch heart of God when you are looking for a child. You know why? Nobody can actually be able to pay for anybody's time. And a child is priceless. But when you give money, money cannot buy child. And when you give money, don't forget, go still there your heart. Go say, you know how much I take get this picking. Know how much? That's why they give money, they go. Anybody where I see, that's why they give money, they go. That's why they give money, they go. Like say na money they give picking. But your time, and when you are even giving time, you won't even know that time don't pass. That's why they see many pastor wives. Now only then they fit spend 20-something years in marriage, they never born. By the time they're born, after 50 years, after 40 years, you go they wonder how not stay. Hey, Jimmy, you know why? They were giving their time. They were doing their service. They didn't know how time take fast reach like that. God will keep them happy all the time. That stress where unbeliever they get when they not born. God not they let they get them. Their 1 year go so fast. They won't even be feeling it. Okay? That is how it works. If you give your service while waiting for a child, genuine service, not eye service, you will get it in no time. And even if it can't say, you go down born before you go come they look back say, hey God, how did I even waited? I didn't even know time has flight. You really, you won't know. The Lord will keep you busy. and you will be enjoying your business. One day, it will hear you. Then if you do fast lay, go put sweet for river, you go put. What are you asking for? Mommy water? Okay, oh, you go get them. You go come born, quickly born, finish. At the age of 20, you don't born, for example. Your mates will not use quick way in the born. At the age of 40 years, your own child is not 20 years. And now that woman, now he can finally give to birth a baby. Two of na age mates. You don't born 20 years ago. Now she just born. And you that time, you use gidi. Go put sweet forever. You go put izobo for 7 junction. You go bath for Isaiah Okene. You go sugar, go bath. You go heal, go pray. You do eziza. You do olokun. You shop pelekpele water just to make sure say you get them. You go to every eziza pastor, native doctor, everybody touching and making sure you must drink it, you must get it. You drink all the old ginger, the old what they call an concoction. At the end, you can't get. When you don't get, the child don't dey 20 years now. Some people, at that age of 20 years, they'll start to dey cry. You'll see some mother go see if I know job born, job better pass. This one na picking. Hey! Now this one me just dey make sure say I get. God forbid. No ma be ma. You not be child. They say you come for me. You see? Meanwhile, maybe the one we finally can get you at the age of 40 years where your own don't already be 20 years old. In go dey happy. Finally, the joy of her life has come. From there, she go even come turn to young girl because happiness make you to be young. Then, you, be don't get big one, you go come over old because stress of child makes a mother to be sick. Yeah. Stress of children. Now he can mother fit get poverty. Poverty fit dey worry your mother. She not go sick. She not go weak. Everything go dey go on for her. She not go die for road. Because na poverty, she go dey struggle to make sure she come back home with okra and garri. But when a mother is stressed by a child, your mother can die on the way coming back home. Your mother can sit and die there. Your mother can sleep and not wake up. Your mother can cry and become blind. Your mother can go terribly deteriorated. You see? So, my lovely people in the house, be good. Waiting time is a difficult time. It's a heavy time. Be good. Be good. So, now like that, my people. If you just join this video, watch it from beginning because I'm going to post it. Thank you so much, my lovers. Bye-bye. Don't worry. Dekisuye, I will treat the topic again, yeah? I'll treat the topic again if it's possible to be digitally poisoned by... If it's possible for somebody to poison our finance through digital, we will talk about it. Okay, so that not be everything we go the fear for abroad. Okay. Thank you, my people. Bye-bye. Oh, very interesting. Okay, bye, bye.